May naka dito. Nakaka-wave kanina pa nagsasalita yan eh.
Ay, na-end mo lang, kuya.
Anyway, guys, you know this. Nagtitrending siya. And honestly, you know naman I'm a single working mom. So, lahat talaga ng worth it i-yellow basket. I'm gonna yellow basket it. And in fairness, it's masarap. Watch nyo na lang kay Gio. I'm gonna pa-try it sana. Can you hold? I'm gonna pa-try it sana kay Kuya Alex. But then I realized na it's matamis kasi ayoko siyang nagsisweets. Wow. It's masarap. It's masarap. You know the red velvet whoopie pie sa Starbucks? Well, of course, nothing beats that. Nothing beats a jet. But this is masarap talaga. Okay. Yummy siya. Yummy. So, if this has been sitting on your cart, check out nyo na. Bye!